command you to help me.
Maggie.
Uncle, what you say me fi do after you do the ritual? Don't look back. So uncle, remember say me want get rich, you know. I'm tired of people that hold me down with their mouth and I laugh off of me. All the girl when you show there we have fight against me other day, more antipathy take her off of me. Yes, uncle. So uncle, what you say go happen if me look back? Huh? Alright, uncle, me not look back. Yeah, me not looking back, uncle. So, Auntie Patsy have to go rise right now and help me out. Yes, uncle. So, uncle, tell me back everything what you just said. After me read you out, yeah, don't look back. Anyways, uncle, me the right eye cemetery, so I want me to walk over there now. Yeah, me will get everything done and then call her back. So, uncle, make it a one me so. Remember, say me want to think for work, you know. So me now go look back, me go take this instruction where you give me keenly, because me not looking back. Yes, uncle, me I go over there now. Hello, Auntie Patsy. Why? Me need a help. Me need a help with the situation. Cause some people are bother me, auntie. From ancient days, this has been written. I command you to help me. You are my guardian. How was that? How was the sound there? Uncle said me not look back, you know. Auntie Patsy, are you that? I never really look back, you know. Auntie Patsy, me I go leave now here. All when me want you, me I go call you. Here, Auntie Patsy. Patsy. Patsy, stop now.
Cause want you? Want you? Why you look so scared? Want you?
Auntie Patsy there.
Where she there? Why you look so scared? Want you? Cause want you?
Cause me rise up back, Auntie Patsy.
You rise up who?
Auntie Patsy.
Cause want you? Why you act so you crazy? You know me not understand from what you from what you move like you're crazy like you mad, you know. You make the people must stress you. Eh? What kind of stress you are going in your life?
What cause? Remember say me want money for an end time day.
Cause everybody have money problem.
And then uncle show me how to do it.
What you talk about? Uncle show you how to do what? What you talk about?
Cause it come like a naggy what me and say uncle show me how to rise, Auntie Patsy.
Right now, you confuse me now. What you mean Auntie Patsy? What Auntie Patsy? What you talk about? Cause
See her.
Cause want you?
See her there.
Me no see nobody there so. Cause see it there. Nobody not there so cause. Me no see nobody cause. You're crazy.
Cause it come like a nasty pussy, Auntie Patsy.
Cause me look already, me not look again. Nobody no over there. Cause listen what me I say. Me know you have money problem. Me must say me I get me virgin have a bar, you know. But me I give you some work and you know want you. Something wrong with you cause you're crazy. Listen what me I say. You know, so me feel like me have to bring you to 10th floor. Cause me no like how you going, you know.
Cause me no mad, success of me head now go cause you.
Cause your head more than a go cause. You're crazy cause.
Alright, cause look again.
Cause see them look me no see nobody. Cause you lose it. Really and truly more help you but me have to go to work cause.
Carry me with you.
I work me I go me can't bring you to work cause.
Alright, left me down a crossroad then.
You sure?
Yes, cause left me down a...
Cause come on. Come on. You don't know why you act like that. Cause want you cause. Want you. Be nice no cause just be nice. That's right. You really are losing no cause. You really are losing no.
Uncle, someone go wrong, you know. But we there that phone. So when they reach up the call about here. Yes, yes, yes.
No further. I tell you now, officially, say do not look back. Give him book. Give him book. You're there on your own. My niece, just take the road and go on where you go. Because I told you not to look after you read the thing. I told you not to look back. Why you look back?
Uncle. What me I do now?
No, you and that they go travel. Travel. Just travel. Just travel. I like if you run left a shadow now, you run on a shadow never catch you, I yarn it that. That become your shadow.
What me I go do now?
You don't follow instruction, you know. You have my niece, I'm love you and everything, you know. But you come to me with a problem, right? So you want auntie to help you. And me tell you, just read the book and not look back, no matter the sound where you hear. No matter if you hear one dog or run back, you not to look back. You better run. You better run forward, run so more than ever glance back. You see it? So you put yourself in the problem now that I feel your business. Me try. Can't carry back the book. You know what people read the book and not look back.
So
why you look back?
You just
You don't follow. So. Listen. You not left up on your face, you know. Are you touch road and say you want the help and I give you the book and I give you the instruction. Give time to carry back the book and you know follow instruction. Look how much you know carry back the book. Go on. You there right there now you go on. Me say run.
You see, I never uncle me tell you see me. But you never tell me say no son I go there behind me. You see you just look you see my uncle you just chill us don't worry. Hey, I see you everything good man.
Me not have to tell about sound. Me just say, no look back. That's a simple question. Simple instruction. Why can you never ask me question? When you get the book to go do it, right? You could ask me the question. But me give you instruction. When me give the instruction, if you don't understand it, what you have to do? Ask a question. Go on find yourself. Me don't want you in a yard and now.
I'm like say you lip chip. Me not ask you all that question and me set you up on the phone. So uncle what you say again? You never tell me say no nice or make back at me.
Alright, so just go on. Just go on. Me try with you, go on. Sit on your phone there.
What me really go do?
terrible, brother. I can't believe say I miss the party, brother.
Bro, I tell us me call me, brother, you know, call me. I got, bro.
No, me call you straight to voice me on the phone, come G.
So you don't know where me live, bro?
Yeah, but brother. Can't burn up the gas far so far, brother. I must say you're not going around with G. Is it right now? Some great, some boat more star raise that up.
Yeah, it's the same thing we operate to.
That I pray.
Good investment, that you know.
You're not pray, no. You're not pray for years. No, good.
Bro, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to change my mind, bro. Bro, you don't think you said thing with me, I think, bro.
Brother, yo, you're not pray for years no good, brother. I don't believe it, brother.
You know what I'm saying? I don't believe in me, bro.
Can I watch on? You know what I said? My grandfather saying you have one pen up there right now where you know use. Somebody have used and I could buy all 1 2 with a gold and put in a team and build up all 1 pen on the back side there. And so I can go and carry. I don't know, brother, money I have to make it on G.
So, me have an idea. You don't think me can work as a team?
You have to discipline me, general. You see me? I don't say I wouldn't go in a business with you in my general, but you have to be serious.
Bro, how far where you come from, bro? Teamwork makes a dream work, bro.
No, brother, but they say you have to be serious. You have my virgin, brother. My brother give you when I come with them until they say, yo, go and go do it. God, brother, alright. You remember when you and Chanel and go in a business? Eh?
Everything.
So now I go do online business. You remember what I go on?
Everything get checked, guess what? No, you know,
That's what I'm tell you.
a Chanel wrong, you know, bro.
Yeah, but you say to a woman, that's what you're doing so stay. But brother, once bitten, twice shy, even though one of me, you learn from she, you see it. But yeah, my virgin said you, brother.
Yo, you could.
Yeah. So now boy.
No, you know, it's not easy though, bro. You know, have a woman in here.
I mean, boy, I don't know how ball game go.
Look good, man.
Around. I'm face it. Hi, nice lady. Hi. Yeah, go on, sir. Hi. Yeah, go on, sir. 1 minute now, please. Hello. Hi, what are you doing? My name is Jay. So you go, man. You have shape my knife first off, man. You know? It looks so nice, just man. You know, that's my virgin right there. So there I saw all the reason. And I said, oh my God, look at that lovely lady coming. Wow. That nice. Yeah, man. So, where you damage you put them, sir? My carry this in them, man. Anyway, I go, I can carry you, know. I'm like you, know. God, man. You look single, too. Yeah, man, you know them hit song there. So you look, you know. God, no. You don't really talk. Anyway, yeah, man. My car, man. Let's go. Anywhere you go. Come now. Come now, baby. Wow. Yeah, what's up? You link up, you know.
Yeah, man. I know I'm pray, man.
Yeah,
You say, still a drop me down the road.
No, brother. Yeah. Tell brother, I see me drop the lovely princess. I yard, my G.
But you never say I drop me down the road.
Just go on, where you going, brother? What do you, man? Yo, stop and go like you want camera style, bro. Relax,
No,
the
come
man. You see it? I see it. Sorry about that. Yeah. Hold up a seat, man. Yo, we link up with general. Yo. Stop in the man.
Tell me out, you know, brother.
Tell out to a man. Hold up a seat now, please. Yo, me shout to bro. Cho. Yeah, man. So, anyway, you want to go in a baby girl. You know where you go? I'm a virgin, you know, but you know, I'm not have no problem with that, you know? I can really talk to you. Anyway. So, where you heading to? That way? Yeah, man, that's my pleasure, you know? Lovely lady, you know?
Babes, what you do?
You know, some of them on like a charter. They on like a charter earth, man.
What? You get charter? Something happened to me, you know.
You see, I go run a yard. No, no go run a yard, it, man. They on charter earth. Come, I don't know what to call it, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, man. So we call them, man. Nobody go run a yard, man. Alright. Everything alright, man. You know, so I'm a little friend, but boy, you know you call a friend babes. You know that, you know? What that, man? Yeah. You know, so you don't really talk. I like that boy, you do. Yeah. So nice lady. I don't sleep, I sleep. Hello? Which direction do you say I go again? The way they are, so. Look nice, though. That way? Alright, you are going. Alright, to where I'm living now. So I'm just stop by to see, you know, if we can have a little drink and, you know. Not really subject public. But, I mean, we live right, so we can't really pass me hard and show you me live, you know what I mean? So that's it. Come on, I'm show you me live now. But not we can't even ride on look up and see you now, you know what I mean? I said, come on, why not doing that in my life? Ramp up. Can't talk to you now, my general. I'm busy now, my general, man. I can't talk to you now, brother. You don't reach where you go already, man.
Yeah, you know, say you sell me out door, bro. You style me wicked, bro. And far you come from, you know. What you say? You get through. So, what you do so long, bro?
Tomorrow I bring up the brother. That's why you have to buy a car, brother. You have to own car out. Alright, that's how I heard you. One time. So, yeah. Alright, you know. What's it to me now? You see, if you see my lady up forward, just ring me here. I'm there on the ends of going one, you know?
Bro, alright. The same time see how man me go call her, bro. Make sure you answer, bro. Cause you don't know wait. Me think you mash up that long time and bring her back home, you know. So how you do so long? I be a tap on road. Or a reason the reason with her. Alright, no sir. Anytime me see a woman, me shout you. One match up a thing.
Alright, Michi, do that. Yeah. You're nice lady, so you don't know where you go. Find a little drink. You don't know, set up a little bit more, but you know where you go, you know? So that's so serious. Why, man? You can't just relax on my place, listen up. Yeah, man. You look so lovely. I mean, like, trust me. You look so lovely. The bow on your ear, you know what I mean? Slippers and trust me, you look so nice. And I love your scent. Like, You have a strong perfume carried, you know what I mean? It smells so nice. It's not buggy, but I don't, you know? Yeah, so I know that we don't really know each other for too long, but I know if nothing could have gone on right now, you know? Go on, you go. Not that I'm rushing anything. You ready? Yeah? What's that? No, but no, I'm just going as a while ago. Oh man, this is something wrong with me up. Something wrong with me up. She can't disappear though. Oh. Hello? Miss? 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 No, this is alright. Hiding in there, miss. Miss. It's not real, it's not real. Yeah. It's not real, yo. It's not real, yo. It's not real. Miss. This not real, yo.
Move food already. Walmart. Yo, bro.
Rambo. Something right with me, my brother. Like me, I feel like deja vu, yo. You had the road some reason earlier. I meet one lady. Eh? You see, me had the round there. Me I meet one lady for two, brother.
So no, what? Bro, so no me did a reason, bro. When you meet the woman and the woman go in your car. Woman disappear. Bro, don't tell me say I go you go a road, bro, and drink before you bring home the woman, bro, and get drunk. How your woman fi disappear, bro? Bro, wake up, man. Wake up.
No, but I can't sit nothing. Sit nothing better. It's like I can't see lady better. Like the lady going in the house all like a better. I can't see lady better.
Where you there?
I'm going to take a better. I carry down the road like I say I carry down the road better. Anyway, you go better. Alright. Anyway, you go better. Now come.
Alright, do that and call link me, cause it come like something wrong with you, bro. Alright, we don't know how that so. Woman, sure the food for me now. I'm like this someone drink or take some cocaine or something. Oh, woman for disappear. First me ever hear that in our history. One more! Not even that I'm very happy. What's up? So you move like a someone and I used two man, so bro. For you come in one woman, so bro, you're so happy. You move like a rooster. What's up?
Now you take this thing with
Yo, top prank me now, bro.
No prank, brother. Are you call that thing, brother?
How?
Brother, you should tell me, say, yo, Walmart, come on and about pick up my lady, brother.
Yo, bro, don't do me that, bro. Don't do me that.
Man, you say you want disappear, brother.
How? Bro,
Brother, me say you want disappear, brother. No, me, yo.
no, I think, bro, you want to lie, bro. I can't trust you, no, bro. I said to them, I can't trust you, no. How woman disappear, bro?
Man, yo. You know, say, take fool, no, brother. Yo, me say you want disappear, brother.
Man, happy you see. I prank me, bro. Prank me, bro.
My youth, you know, say you take everything for joke thing, brother. Me tell you, say, brother. Alright, you are going.
Bagwal.
You can't even woman on the end, brother. See?
Yeah, the top of rum bar first.
No, me not. Listen to me, my brother, man.
Oh.
Remember, say, yo, brother.
No, true.
A real thing in my general, yo.
You say you have to go around bar
What?
and drink Crips up, you know?
I'm not top on no rumba general.
No.
What's on man? Believe me, brother. I thought me I come from the rumba.
No.
Believe me, man. I'm not going to tell you lie, my youth. I feel like check myself if sitting do me, brother. So tell you, say, yo, woman, when we see road, so,
Yeah.
I'm going to pick him up in a car, brother. Brother, I'm sure I'm scared go here go and carry woman, brother. I say, woman, brother. After me carry one again, oh, so I feel like sit now go on. You want to disappear from front of me, so brother. Let me say, watch up here.
You know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
you don't say how you did that turn up there, so. Me don't see no woman there, so brother, again, brother. Me I say, no, this is not real.
No.
Me search all night, pillar them, me search all night, sheet them. Me can't see no woman, brother. This one come like a duppy, brother.
Yo, me feel say I go run my thing in a Walmart.
Yo, you me a son of brother. I know
Yeah,
say
go
you
run me, bro.
fool though, you.
You know what I'm saying? I knocky girl in a bro, and I tell me saying I knock her in a bro.
Brother, I say me not knock no girl, brother. Me not get no chance, me not get that. Brother, I say, yo. Brother, me not go around the thing, brother.
But me see woman go so and point to that direction, bro. How you
General.
want reach your yard?
Brother, look at her. She don't know thing, you know. Cause the woman not talking. You know, son, no me one word from the woman, brother.
Woman not talkative, bro. Woman shy, bro. We are going to use a
You know, so
crayfish
fool,
bread
brother, look at the man, just believe in the man and cut the fool and say, brother, I say, woman disappear, brother. Right now, I don't know if in down that sheet, in down that pillar, in down that bed, nothing, brother. everything me lift up, brother, nothing out there, brother. Right now, I feel to go back up on my own yard, brother. I think I joke, man, brother.
Yo, this a man a lie like a Chinese show, you know.
Yo, me I'm moving on this. I don't say a fool or something. Yo, me tell us, brother, listen to me now, man. Sit, do me that. Do me that. Yo, sit, do me that.
Man, I say you happy, bro.
Yo, man, yo. Listen to me now, man. Stop running joke, dog. Come here, the pan and joke,
Bro, come here, me.
Yo, you're a good person, dog. I'm gonna tell you this.
I'm just going to come here, good person. You don't know I'm gonna finish.
Good dog.
Yo, so that's sweet, yo.
Arthur. Oh, go on. Why? I can't want to come and I can't come like to salt up my bed and be a broke down for my brother. So I can't carry up because no power on a day and night, brother. Tomorrow morning. Right now, not too much job. Not too much job, good brother. Pray for that, alright. Yeah, because nobody don't want to take a car, brother. I carry us a crate, brother. Alright. Yeah. Alright, cool. How do you some miss? Yeah, Mr. Why do you some miss? What? Eh? I said, no, I'm going to find a house. We can't go fit. Think alright though. Eh? No money there. Where them is? What's that? Miss, how are you, miss? Miss? What's up? Give me the key. Yeah, what's up, man? Good day, man. Okay.
Where they now? Me dey down your friend shop. Yeah, shop with the near to you. Hey, listen to me. Look how long you say you deal with a little business for the road. How long you done?
No, 2 minutes. I got this man. The charter will take me long, so I get to call her back. That's how I get to call her back. Where are you now, babes?
Like it or not like it, me dey come up there because I can't have one man and can't visit him. Look how long me here there.
I come up a yard. No. You insist to come up a yard every time, babes. So you want to come up a yard for, babes? Alright, come up a yard then. Forward up a yard then. Me up there. Yeah, come. Right? If you don't come up here, come and see your piece of me have to come on up here. I don't have no woman, babes. I don't have no woman, babes. Come up a yard. Look up a yard on your father.
You alright, you know, chat anything I want chat.
You must know if I want to come up here.
I know if I'm going to in them, I go for him. So I'm in them, I'm going to lick to go.
Hey, don't go in there. Relax, come on. Where are you going there for?
So why me can't go in there? How long me there for? I talk to you, you know.
Hey, a long time, be. I'm telling you, man. Where are you
So why me can't go in there own?
Your own are safety, babe.
What?
Your own are safety.
There's my own safety.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Me want to see which girl can live in my face in my own man yard. Huh? I come in there go in there, so I don't know where to talk about. I come in there go in there.
Babe, somebody are going there, Mr. Babe. Hey, Mr. Go in there, babe. Hey, Mr. Hey, Mr. Go in there, babe.
Okay. Bravo.
Bro.
So you have girl and come through window. And that's the now I'm going in there. Hey,
No, don't jump through now, babe. Babe, not go in there, babe.
I should have catch up. Oh.
Mr. Not go in there.
Oh.
You take everything, but jump to you now.
Nonsense, rubbish. You want to come in here? Look, fuck, show you. You're dirty, man. Why are you so careless?
Not there.
Why are you so careless? Remember if not gonna do me. What if you do me? Hold on.
I joke me around, man. Not, man. I joke me around, man.
Look at. So, you want to woman to an idiot? Huh?
No, you that, man.
Yeah? Me want to call me tell you I want to talk to you.
No, this is serious. Miss! No, watch out. Like, I'm tired, man. I'm not gonna do it, man.
So you either go now. Your answer on mine.
It's all right.
Here I go. Right now, I'm ready for somebody something, so come on.
Oh, yeah, take time now, babe.
Ah, your place one clean up.
Yeah, that's
You
a
see,
cup.
if I did have me... How was that?
I know.
How was that? I was like, it come
Hold on, let me put that back.
Maybe you go look.
No, I'm gonna look here.
Yo,
Relax, no man.
somebody's outside
But I'm here,
knocking.
man. I'm here, man. Let me fi defend it.
Alright.
Relax, this man. Hello?
I'm going to open the door now, you idiot. I can't be here, I'm afraid of nothing the door.
Alright. Go and go look at it. No. Hello?
Your brethren go check you.
Hello? How are you? Yes, help me.
Yeah, idiot.
How are that?
What's the
Hold on, hold on.
Open the
Hey boy, Rambo.
Because I know this off I do.
Rambo, man. Rambo! Yo, stop playing with dog. Boy, yo, Rambo.
Come open the door now.
Yo, me I go out then.
Friend can play some
Yo, open the door, brother. Rambo. You ram too much in the dog. You know, say ram too much, brother. Hold on, the blade them. So how put him back in blade them? How put him back in them? Rambo, you put him back in them. So you win them gone in back so far. What's that? Open the door up for Rambo. Yo! Open the door, brother.
Stop now!
Oh, no, man.
Wait, it's not coffee.
Oh, no, nothing, man. Put this right, that's all.
One minute. You take this thing to joke thing, you know. You see, if it's a girl, well, you know,
no.
you know, say a woman, then I say, if you stop it.
I don't know,
And
girl,
if you
man.
stop it, B. And if you stop me, I like your style. You not act like a man.
What do you mean, 7 o'clock, man? Go up, please. Go up, please.
Walmart.
Eh?
Stop now.
No,
Open the door, I could see who outside.
Can't go out the bay.
So, what will you see me, what me not see? Let me see. Come, put back this. Be move back this and put down this one. Because I don't want to.
Can't move back there.
So what you see?
Of your own safety day, I want
Please
you.
stop the foolishness. What you see, what me not see? Put back this, move this.
You want to go out there?
Let me go there then now because me not understand.
One lady out the bay.
So what is wrong with the lady? Yeah, one lady out there was, so what? What is it? What
Sorry
is it?
about that, Pete.
So what about the lady? What happened to her?
Come
What
on,
she
this
want?
lady have mental problem or something now.
Oh, Jesus. Then B, if a lady have mental problem, all we have to do is carry her to the doctor. You understand? So move this.
So yo, people have mental disappearance, people have mental problem can disappear.
Yeah, like this minute every day I saw, next minute they did so because they hate me mental. You understand? So
Oh.
put this other so me go there go check for her now. You can't do this something if you're not afraid of me. You do that again. I swear think it's someone coming to unalive us. Sit down, man. Step away from me.
Hold on now.
Come on, Obi. Stop shake. What's your...
What's up? Lay you the same here, yo.
You make me go out here. Step away.
Hold on now. Yo, you got that?
Let me go out there now. Say, if you want like a real man, you know, but you're a mannequin.
Mannequin, what? You have to stand with bone now, mannequin.
Just relax yourself.
Alright, go on out there. Go on. See? Walk up on the lady now.
Watch out. How are you lady there? What lady when you talk about? Where's that lady there? See? This is what me talking about. You're not acting like a man. And you see your little foo-foo friend that you have. And them are doing little rubbish style, yeah. You just...
Me know similar crazy, yo. Me know.
You're crazy. You're mad! Stupid and soul, man. You know what is this? Rubbish. Watch out. Father God, what did I do to deserve this?
Babe, please, listen to me now. Don't sit down on that chair, yo.
Come on.
Hold on. Come out of that.
You're mad! You're mad, dog! Listen to me. Come with me. Let me carry a guy in the hospital. Come now.
Sit down now. Sit down now.
Listen.
Yeah? Sit down now, babe.
No, listen now.
Everything alright, babe?
Me check now. Me come back and look for you.
Yeah, so I got...
Me come back and look for you here.
Come up, come look for me, man.
Yeah, me come back here. Later here.
Yeah. Go on. How are you, babe? Babe. What's that? Got something to do. Are you sitting there now? Oh, go on. What's that? What's that one, man? Sit around with you or me sitting around with you? What are you doing, man? I want you now, all of a sudden. You see sitting out there, sir? Awa. Yeah, babes, what are you doing, my man? Sit up here, babes. What do you? Mr. What do you? Top ball.
Stop.
Well, I like this haunted you. I'm going to do this to you. That's why you don't cheating on you. No, I'm not really me. I'm sitting there with that talk. Rambo with that talk. Rambo the jail. What go on with you? Eh? You know, tell me. Want me to hurt the feeling? Be sorry, man. Sorry. Yo, took me right, you know. One night I'm going to get on raid up you. Help me do it, please. Help me do it, please. No. Help me do it, please. See that, nothing out more time, man. Babe, just calm down, babes, man. Calm down, man. What go on with you now? Sorry, look at him. I'm me cause that babe. Look here now. Sorry, babe. Look here now. Babe, listen me I say. See? What you see around there? What you see?
Me see some round there, so.
What you see? Cause see them brave in the youth. Me nah, you see it?
Me see one ghost lady.
How?
One ghost lady.
You see him appear to you now. You see saying a joke thing though. You see me I tell a long time I believe me be just cool and me ever grown now. But hear me I say now, please me I beg you. I'm sorry about that be. And me cause it be. Look here now. And me cause it be. Look here now. And my heart be. And me cause it. Me pick her up one day. Me pick her up one day and did her one charter, you see it? And what did I do again? Me did do one charter, you see it? The same charter me tell about. Yeah man, and then me just make her stop over here so tell her and left her in her car, you know. So me gonna have her one drink over me head, you know. And by the time I go out there, I don't see nobody and then realize, you know, say probably I want to go spirit. Then now, come like say, yo, something like go on with her. Cause I don't know if I'm mad or something, but if I'm mad, remember me tell her, something right. But look at it, it's my fault, baby girl, but look at it. Look like you have to call on a spiritual reader, man, you know. You don't know none. Cause we have to go run this thing from out there, so hold on. Rough, bro. Relax now, babe. Relax now, man. While I'm virgin now, what I know? I'm show to him and find out if we can get to a reader, man, and read you up and so on, because something right. Is it? Relax. Yo, Bango. Yo, you want me to say, me say, you know no link to no reader, man, with you. You know no link to no reader, man. Yeah, come like sitting up to my lady youth and want to check her out like and set Duppy for him, you know. You just have to tell him that, you see it? Yeah, someone want to check out that thing, you know. No, yo, you know, so we never fret, you know, you see it? How are they, man, we brave like that, me G? Oh. Send it on my WhatsApp now. We saying can read me up. And read up and go on the ends. Alright, send it on the WhatsApp now. Now. Yeah, respect. Sit down. Yeah, I'm a big man, I'm a big in the right, that's how I put man. You alright, man. I want to check her out, you know. Something going on up on yard, that's a G, you know. Like something. I'm not going to put no blame on her still, you know. I really kind of like a me too. You don't know something around the taxi thing, you know. Because she the attack, you know. Alright, send it on WhatsApp, let's talk it. Yeah. I know, send it to me WhatsApp. Hold on. I'm going to send a reader man number on WhatsApp, yeah? See it.
Yeah, shakes a bit.
No, I'm not shake, man. I too, like, sometimes I don't really sleep, you know. I know him, Reverend. What is that? Reverend Marley. Reverend Marky. Yeah, my general. What go on, man? You know what's up there, my general? Get a number for one of my general, you know? Yeah. So you know what's I read up me my general. I want me can check you. Oh. So you could give me a one read up on the phone right now, I saw I go on the ends. Something running right on the ends, like, you know. Like something I follow me, my general, you know. Yeah, my lady kind of not too comfortable, you know. What you say? I'm a lady cause it. What can I read up? Yo, what can I read up this about? My lady no cause something, I'm me brother. I know what I'm doing, my general. Yo, I don't want to go with them on this side. General, yo, see if I go there, so. See if I go there, so. I blame my lady when I know saying I myself so me to be blamed. I can't work with you because I don't know nothing in general. Come off from my phone, I don't know nothing. Go get the next reader, man. Because this a man I blame you say you go raise up. Yeah, me know you don't do nothing like them no be. And me got, yo, if I blame myself, if I ease myself in you. And I really like if I ease myself you. Be, you know what I say? I'm not afraid enough, but come up on the road. Come drink some rum, man. Come on, man. Go. Where you say I see? Run us up. Go walk around. Walk away. Come on. No, walk.
One word. You sure say this a man I can't take them out, take it up here for we.
Remember, say Mike is this man right now. The law, you see, next man when I call, him no good none talk. Because I can tell me say you. When I know, say me. You understand? So you want to go on right over there, say the man name Mas. What? Sitting on that Ezekiel. Go to the dog. Good man. Him good man. The man named Father Ezekiel. Good. I go out and call him, right? Everything, babes, just relax them and everything will work out, man. Remember, say me there, man. See him? Alright, just stay in that cam, I call him, right? Babes, relax them, man. If this man is good, you know, fool like the last one, the first one, I call him and tell me so about. And you this and you that. I say, oh, you mix my lady in this. How you mix in this? And me at fault, and me know what I do, I go pick up the lady and no, so just chill man, I call Father Ezekiel. See? I don't know if he can come in the evening around there, come run away, but if he can't come and I know say he'll come for next time, and that Mikey tell me say. And the man a charge me. I check him after me to know him a charge, you know? Yeah. Father Ezekiel! Father Ezekiel! Father Ezekiel, hear me?
Yo.
Oh, watch out. Oh, I'm going big boss.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, General, you know? Oh, I'm going, man.
Unexpected check before I go.
No, it's not a really unexpected check, man. Barbecuing you.
Wait, what we can do for you?
You know, so my General, I don't really know unexpected check, my General. It's a better give me a number, you know? You know, Mikey.
Oh, Mikey from around, so.
Yeah, man.
Work for him all the while, man.
See, that
I know
tell
what,
me, you know?
but don't look through everything already. Man.
Yes, my boss. Eh?
Vision up everything already. Man.
Judge, no.
You
Fast.
can't go come to the still tomorrow, but watch out.
Yeah.
You can see you. You know, as somebody near to you. But I'm not going to tell you who for your cause no problem. Yes,
Yeah? Real.
You see what go on. I want demon in a one peach dress. I see everything clear enough. I see everything clear.
Oh, you know that, my General?
And them things I do for you living in a man. Look at a man. Hear me I say, man. Come in a man.
General, you're good, youth.
Wow.
Yeah.
Come check out. Oh, check.
Jim Road.
Some see everything, man. Me I look on her right now. Like, shut up, wait. Yo, watch what I'm doing. Come here, no man. Come here, no man. Just listen to me and say, no man.
John youth, and you know, see a good youth.
This is good. Tomorrow, free. I'm going to check it.
You couldn't come to them, General, please.
You know, man. Chill, man. Yo, matter.
bail, man.
This when I go home, don't go in street. Just spin 3 times. Spin 3 before you go in.
Oh, you
Come
do that?
check
Oh, you
it.
do that?
Just bust a spin 3 times for man. Whoa. Give me, take me number. Now come check your chair.
Yeah.
See?
You know what I'm going to better. You know, you're good news.
Listen to me, no, man. Just take me number.
876.
Yeah.
876. 90
958
958
3140.
3140.
Buzz me, no, man.
Alright, so how much that will cost from the General?
150,000, you know.
Yeah, General. They couldn't take out nothing off of that.
When me forgot, yo, when me forgot take off of this one, yeah, it's not normal. When me forgot do, it's not normal. So, you me tell you, be careful. You hear me say? Be careful. Go on now.
So you say me
Go
can't
on
go in?
now. Go on now. Spin 3 times when you are going. You're good, man. Go on. Suck me and doing this.
Alright, General.
That chicken, man. Just go on, man.
So,
Nothing now go happen to you, man. Just spin 3 roll. Just go on. You feel this
yeah,
to
man,
me,
I do it, man, General. Because I remember say you see what going on. You see it?
Man, look what there.
Yeah, man. Respect, yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you say somebody close to me and do it.
Yeah, say no more.
Alright. Respect, General. Yeah, man. General. Yeah. Yo, the man good in yo. The man tell me exact just what the woman, where the spirit have on him. I see him just, the man tell me all the woman size, the man saying, don't. You want a better man than this man can read you up, man. Yo, the man tell me say somebody close to me. I wonder say if I boy Rambo, I say that boy there. Eh? I wonder say if I that boy there Rambo, because them boy there close to me thing. I wonder if I him can take this thing, my thing with joke thing when I tell him. I can't them boy there cause him. You see it? Just cool, what you want him? Just relax yourself, man. Cause look here, no matter what you want to tell me, say, look here, no, man, this one you know what you know. Me just, you don't have to say nothing, be. Me just know what I want. And my fault, yo. You see? That's why I don't want you to stress yourself. Just ease off by talking, you know? Remember, say me, and I really say disrespect, you know, but I do a little thing. I have to confess me. You see it like, I'm me wrong to carry lady got me hard. I never know someone spirit, yo. But when I carry a guy hard, it's like, I left her out a gate, that's all. You see it? I mean, yo, you don't even know, yo, but sorry about that bit. Anyway. Man say I come 3 o'clock tomorrow, yeah? Man give me a number.
I say more though.
He say I run her. See? So don't worry yourself. And next time I gonna know what to do from what to do. I'm sorry about that, yeah? But my heart, yo. See it?
Babes,
Hmm?
now going now, you know. Now go home because if I did me not sleep in the so. So I don't know how you are going to do it tonight. Understand? I go away.
Man, I'll come tomorrow. Why you so timid? Why you so timid, baby girl?
No, B, me cannot.
You're too
Me can't
timid.
play the game there with you over here, so I have to go on my yard. You understand? So you have to sleep in there.
I don't know where to sleep, when me on sleep. When me on sleep, the man said to spin on 3 times and go in on my good.
Shit, I'm already. Alright, you're going to me. Test out your meeting.
So you can spin on 3 times and come in to be?
Me nothing. Me look for me just look wild.
Alright, come on.
Me wild,
So
me
you-
weak,
So
everything.
you're going to reach up here tomorrow, 3 o'clock, when the man are deal with it right, bro. You want to see what go on or what?
Yes, me want to see what go on.
I'm saying. Hmm?
I go home now, cause I think me have too much drink in my system right now. I'm weak, big.
Relax the man, come. Spin on 3 times. Spin on. I come like say, oh, chop. Spin on. The man said to spin on and out there and see that man say,
Time that was spin me. Alright, come. Yeah, there.
Weird like. Yeah, I'm not afraid of nothing, my friend. Mr. Ezekiel, where's you going now? Yeah man, you don't know the house right from the front of some man. With the pink card them. Ah. Yeah man. You want to see far man. Alright, me there your boss here with. There sir. Cool. You have to go left here, yeah, you have to go left here. Left here. Where are they now? At 3 o'clock now, my babes, the man say my father now. Where there? Alright, come on. Right now I'm stressed out yo. Yo, I'm not get no sleep in the night. I'm sleeping. I think I'm sleeping also. Eh? I
You
sleep.
say you spin 3 times and go in, so what happened?
Spend 3 times I'm going out. The man
You
said it.
trick me?
Yeah, but the man say oh you want dangerous. So what am I gonna do? Eh?
Wait, man.
Oh, like I English. General! Come here, General! See, man. Come here, General. What's still going on now?
Work, me come to work, and let's start in more work. See,
Great.
pause, yeah?
Relax, no be man, everything good, you know. Yes, me General. The 50 grand ready to you know. Yes, me General. Do
Stay
it.
here, sir. Now come here.
Sure. No, I'm not doing it. Relax, baby. Relax now.
Me can't take it. Me can't
And
take
your
it.
cause you me. My fault, babe. What do you? See man gone so can do the thing.
Hey, woman. From the undead. Leave out of the premises. I am tell her. You now make this a 50 grand and go down the chain. Yeah, shit. Goose up. Pause. Watch out. Please. No. Dali.
General! Yo, you left my car, brother. How I go on with him? This one look good. Yo! How just go on a while ago? You know what this man say, man? I'm busted. You know, say a woman is good at run now. Tell us say a man good out. A woman in my run now. Where you come on here? Don't do all that stuff. Yo, hold on, I have to call him. Hold on, man, a woman in my run now. I work him and I work. You say a man good. General, where's he going now? I see her run down. What? Man a hang up phone on me. The man said this is up here to Chang with the power one. Watch out. The man hang up on phone on me is out.
Where you do? Where you do? As in where you do? Because me can't stand it, me can't stand up here so where
No,
you do?
go on down. Go on here. Run, go on. Run, go on. Come go on the road to you. Run, go on, you know. I remember saying me brave, you know. Hold on, I'm going like so now. Subscribe up. Oh, for when me telling you say subscribe, it's a joking thing with that pan. Ah, my son. I train a yet, but I'm not running down. Okay, boy. Now yourself, mama. So, now, yo, you. What's on you subscribe to Maggie Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
No, you say what? No, you say boy.
Maggie Films.
Maggie.